Okay, now we are on page 328. We're talking about calculating simple interest using a 360-day year. So basically we call this ordinary simple interest, so it makes it a little bit easier where a lot of organizations will use a 360-day year. Obviously there's 365, that would be exact, but a typical ordinary simple interest is based on a 360-day calendar, okay? So let's look at the example. It says the bank loans Griselda $4,000. So she gets $4,000. This is our principal. At 9% for, this time we're expressing it in days. So we have $4,000, which would be your P. The rate is 9%, and the time is 60 days. So you'll notice this is the first time we've seen it in days. But what we're going to do is our formula still applies for simple interest. Interest equals PRT. But this time, the time is going to be represented using 360 as our days. So let's go ahead and put our principal in. So my principal is 4,000. My rate is 9%, so I'm going to call that 0.09. And this time I'm going to say 60 out of 360. So I'm using that ordinary time. And when I do the math on this, you'll find out that the interest that they need to pay is $60. So it's the same formula. We're just, if it's given to you in days, typically we're going to be using ordinary time, which is 360.